Let's get ready the intro. Ready, 1 and go. Verse 1, F chord and we go.
Thousand generations
B flat,
falling
down to F.
worship,
D minor,
sing the song
down to C.
of ages to
B
the
flat.
Lamb.
and F.
And all who've gone before us,
B flat,
and all who will
F.
believe,
D minor,
sing
down
the
to C.
song of ages
B
to the
minor.
Lamb.
pre-chorus, B flat
Your
go.
name is the highest.
Up to C.
Your name is the greatest.
Up to D minor.
Your name stands
Back
above
down to
them
B flat.
all.
B flat again,
All thrones and dominions.
up to C.
All powers and positions.
Up to D minor.
Your name stands
to B flat go.
above them all.
Chorus,
And the
B flat.
angels cry.
D minor,
And
C.
All creation
A minor.
cries.
D minor.
Holy, you are lifted
G minor.
high.
To C.
Holy
And F.
forever.
F again. Repeat,
Your
B
people
flat go.
sing.
D minor, and C.
Holy to the King of
A minor.
Kings.
D minor.
Holy, you will always
G minor.
be.
C.
Holy forever.
Repeat F again. Go back verse 2 and F chord.
If you've been forgiven,
B flat,
if you've been
back to F.
redeemed,
D minor,
sing the song
to C.
forever to
B
the
flat.
Lamb.
go back to F.
If you walk in freedom,
B flat,
if you bear
and
His
F.
name,
D minor,
sing the song
C.
forever to
B
the
flat.
Lamb.
repeat last line, D minor, get ready,
We'll sing the song
and C.
forever and
B flat.
amen.
See on B flat, let's
And the
go chorus, B
angels
flat,
cry.
D minor, down to C.
Holy, all creation
A minor.
cries.
D minor.
Holy, you are lifted
G minor.
high.
To C.
Holy forever.
F again,
Hear your people
B flat go.
sing.
D minor, and C.
Holy to the King of
A minor.
Kings.
D minor.
Holy, you will always
G minor.
be.
C.
Holy forever.
F. Let's go pre-chorus 2 times. Pre-chorus, B flat,
Your name is the highest.
C.
Your name is the greatest.
D minor.
Your name stands above
B flat.
them all.
B flat again,
All thrones and dominions.
To C.
All powers and positions.
D minor.
Your name stands above
B flat.
them all.
Let's repeat chorus again. Let's go stay on B
Your
flat,
name is the highest.
To C.
Your name is the greatest.
D minor.
Your name stands above
B flat.
them all.
B flat again,
All thrones and dominions.
To C.
All powers and positions.
D minor.
Your name stands above
B flat.
them all.
Let's go chorus,
And the
still on B flat.
angels cry.
D minor, down to C.
Holy, all creation
A minor.
cries.
D minor.
Holy, you are lifted
G minor.
high.
C.
Holy
F chord.
forever.
F again, repeat, repeat. B flat, go. D minor and C. A minor, D minor, G minor, to C and F. F again. Repeat last line, go to G minor. You're gonna hold G minor, hold on C, hold on F, hold on F again. One last time, G minor. Let's hold the chord. 2, 3, 4, C. 2, 3, hold on F. 2, 3, hold on F again. 3, 4 and N. Well done! Hey there, thanks for watching and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe and I will see you in the next video.